Hey guys, now's the time for you to grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and gather yourself a snack as I share with you my DIY floral arrangement pumpkin.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you all into my space once again. We're actually out at the shed where we are about to make a little magic happen. Now this is a pumpkin that I picked up last year, and I think I had them maybe out on my front porch. But what I'm going to do is create somewhat of a beautiful floral arrangement using these pumpkins. But before I get into that, I welcome you all to my channel. I thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your very first time and you like what you see and you want to become a part of this family, I promise you it's so easy and it doesn't cost you anything. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of any and all up and coming videos that are shared on this channel. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I am going to have this pumpkin. I have some florals that I'm going to use. Florals, and this is going to be a very quick DIY. I am going to hopefully use this little vase here. I have my X-Acto knife here. I may have to use my good old handy glue gun, might not. This is just going to be a very quick and very simple DIY. So first, I'm going to start by removing the stem from here, and then I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and cut around the top here, and then the next step will be filling in with some flowers, so stick around. So first I'm going to remove, or try to remove, the stem here. Just measure here at the top. And I've actually been out here working today, creating a dazzling sneaker, and I will share that with you guys later. For some reason my camera looks like it is completely off.
Now guys, listen. These pumpkins from Joann's are amazing. This is an outdoor pumpkin, indoor-outdoor pumpkin. The inside is already full foam. It is a foam wrapped pumpkin. I thought it was one of those hollow pumpkins that you get, but then I looked over on the back after I realized that it was foam filled to see, like, this is a nicely made pumpkin. The cost on it was like $44 or $49, but I promise you I did not pay that for this pumpkin. I got it when probably it was 75% off or something like that. But anyway, it's a very nicely made pumpkin, and it is going to make for a beautiful arrangement by using the foam that's already there. I actually started pulling the foam out, and you know how your little light bulb come on and says like, oh, just use the foam that's already there, and you don't have to worry about using fillers or anything like that. So that is what I'm going to do. I am using what's already in the pumpkin to create this beautiful, amazing arrangement, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. Hey guys, are you ready for the reveal? As I share with you my beautifully decorated pumpkin with beautiful florals to create such a wonderful arrangement. Now, this is one of those pumpkins that are like speckled in the sage color, and I've just gone in and added some, took some bouquets of flowers that I've had in my stash and tore them apart. Got some picks that I used from the Dollar Tree, those little foxtail picks, and some of the picks with the little gourds and pumpkins and pine cones. And I just used all that to create this beautifully decorated pumpkin. This is one that you can use indoors or outdoors, as the pumpkin is made for outdoor use. So it will make a great centerpiece for your outdoor dining, for your entryway table, for your dining table, for your coffee table, even for a wedding. If you're having a fall wedding, this would make a great wedding centerpiece. So, guys, I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, and you like what you've seen, and you want to be a part of this family where I do share lots of different things here, home decor, shopping hauls, DIYs, shop with me's, anything dealing with life, family, and fun, and decorating, then this is the place, and I welcome you here. Just hit the subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you're always notified of any and all up and coming videos. Be blessed and take care until the next video.